In YouTube land, this is Cider, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, back again to encourage us all to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. And I am, as always, live and direct, meaning that I don't do any editing, so any mistakes and errors that are made in the video will be in the video. I sometimes go back and put an iCard or two to clarify something, but sometimes I just don't. But anyway, I hope all is well with everyone. I hope everybody is having a great day. I'm coming because I want to do this massive Aldi haul with you guys. Now these are just the food items. I'm going to come back in another video and do the other items, that non-food items that I did get. Now I'm not sure if this is going to go up prior to another video that I'm going to be doing about gift giving. So we'll see how that goes, but we do always take advantage of, especially from Aldi's, because Aldi's has those great imported items. It's like a TJ Maxx or a Marshalls or something like that. They always have those great imported items that are at a very good price, but however, we didn't get any of those. I haven't gotten those type of things in a minute because a lot of them are sweet things that I don't eat anymore. But let me get into this haul, guys, and like I said, I'll be coming back with part 2 of this haul. So they had this their butter on sale, and it's just $1.99, and it's usually $2.49. That's not a big savings, but if I had to go to my regular store to get the discounted rate, it would have been gas and time. So I just went on and picked them up because that's still a good deal. $1.99 per carton, pack of 4 sticks, whatever they call it. And I just picked up some cheese. I hadn't had a lot of cheese in the house, and we like to keep a little cheese, to have our cheese with your nuts and little crackers and stuff like that, a little savory snack. But anyway, I got that, the Kobe. I got another one, the Pepper Jack. Look at the cute little moo on there. And I got just a couple of bananas because I do have some bananas that have already gone ripened, so I just got a few of those. And I did get some orange juice, and I got these peppers. These peppers were on sale for, I think they were maybe $1.99. And I'm just going to wash these and put them in the freezer for now, because this is less expensive than using bell peppers, and I like to use these in different pastas dishes and spaghettis, and or put it bake it with chicken or lamb or beef, whatever, stuff like that. These were 89 cents, which were the blueberries. The blueberries were 89 cents, so I just picked up 2 of those. Sour cream, I need some sour cream. We just love to keep sour cream #1, but I got it to put in a recipe, and I've been picking up a lot of different oatmeal flavors lately. I don't know if you saw me on Instagram. I had a gingerbread spice and a pumpkin spice, so I got maple toffee. I only got one just in case it didn't really taste like it says, because they'll tell you it tastes like something and it just kind of doesn't. And I just got 1 pineapple, and the pineapple was $1.29. So they had these on sale for 99 cents, and my family, they love apple juice and apple cider. I love apple cider. Apple cider is such a delicious something. So this is the caramel apple cider, and I just picked up 3 of these, again at 99 cents. And they had these also, Honeycrisp, and Honeycrisp is such a good apple. So they had this. They had a spice apple also, but I had it. But I said, you know what, let me put that back because I might not like that. So let me just put that back. So anyway, I got 2 of these. They only had 2. I would have gotten more of these honey apple crisp, because that looks like that's going to be very, very good to drink. So yeah, these are, so I want to do a taste test, if you don't mind. Give me a minute. I'm going to do a taste test to see how these taste. So I got this orange juice, not necessarily for drinking, but I'm not even done. What am I even thinking? But anyway, I'm going to be making orange marmalade muffins. So I needed orange juice for that, and I also needed oranges. I have the orange marmalade already, so I picked up these oranges. I just got 3 of these, the 3 of them for $1, and our regular dry whole milk. Now they did, I was so disappointed, but I guess, you know, it's what it is. The regular store that I get our Holland, it's a milk from Holland, it's called Rainbow. It is so good. It is such a good creamy dry milk. But anyway, they were out of it. They only had this Nido, so I just declined going there at all. I just went to another store because I needed oranges anyway, and they didn't have fresh produce. So anyway, I got this from another store. But so I guess from now on, because they told me that they're not going to even be well, they don't know when they're going to get any in. But that other milk is so good. Let me show you the can. Yeah, so it's just this rainbow milk, and it's $28.99, $30. Same with this one. This one is just $29, but we've been drinking Nido all our life anyway. But when this one came into my life, this was such a good milk, full cream milk powder. I mean, it's so lovely and everything. It's good and everything, right? So anyway, we always get this because it's just more economical and then time saving. You don't need to be going out to get milk all the time or whatever. So let me get this, and so I showed you the oranges for orange zest and this for the marmalade. But let me show you, let's do a taste test of this drink. Okay, so I just decided, let me just do a taste test for both of these, like, since we're on the phone together. I know we're not on the phone, guys. Okay, very caramel apple tasting. Very caramel apple tasting. I like that. Let me try the Honey Crisp. It's not cold. Really tastes not really any big wow factor in it at all. It's just, it's not a big wow factor. This tastes like, really tastes like caramel. Yeah, this is good. It's got a really good caramel apple taste. A really good caramel apple taste. And it says it has 0 sugar and all of that, but this really doesn't have like a, I mean, it's good, and it might even taste better cold, chilled, or whatever. But I mean, it's good, but it's just not, it doesn't have like a, whoo, it didn't knock my socks off, although I don't have any socks on. But anyway, like I said, I'll be coming back with a part 2 of a non-food Aldi haul. So please stay tuned for that. And I love you very much. Don't forget, let's continue to live a life that is victorious in Christ Jesus and in Christ Jesus alone, because all of the ground is sinking sand. And we love you very much. This is Cider, the domestic handmaiden of distinction, signing out for now. Bye-bye.